특이한 데 아니야?
This is my destiny. This is my hope eternal, to be conformed into the image of love. This is my purpose. This is my highest calling, to leave the world behind and live my life for you. Carry me, hide me in the shelter of your pure embrace, the place where I belong. Oh Jesus, cover me. I come to you for shelter, to